Dough?
Here. We're gonna feed little Craig.
Yeah, he's ready.
Oh!
Yeah, I told you.
We're not gonna let this thing starve. Hell no. I think we might just keep this little guy.
No,
Look
we
at
can't.
bone crushing. Look at him. He can't. He's like, I'm trying to take this piece in whole like an egg roll. Yeah. Give him. Salute him. He said, "Fuck you."
He's learning how to eat. Hang on.
Learning? You gave him too big of a piece. Come on now. You gotta break it down for him like mama. You know what? Hold on here. Let me explain something to you. Do you know what a mama bird does with the food?
I understand.
It regurgitates it, and that's where bird feeding comes
Babo
from.
showed me.
You gotta regurgitate the food. Now put it in your mouth. No, put it in your mouth. Chew it up. Try to swallow it.
Okay.
Gulp it up. Oh, yeah, like chicken. Oh, yeah.
That soda right there.
That was good. Huh?
There you go.
This little guy, we're not going to let you die. No.
We're taking
Hell no, you are not going to die.
We're taking it somewhere to a bird sanctuary.
No, animal